Check this out. This is easily one of the most iconic models to ever come out of Italy. The Testarossa is a total legend, not just for its complex design, but because that engine is truly one of a kind. The Ferrari Testarossa is a total legend that basically defined 90s pop culture. But check this out. The evolution that followed, the 512 TR, managed to take things to a whole new level. We've reached the final act for the legendary Ferrari Testarossa. It's more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that completely redefined pop culture as we know it. So Ferrari just did something amazing. Meet the 2025 849 Testarossa. It's a beautiful blend of classic heritage and futuristic tech, and honestly, it looks even better than we imagined.